Hello, super artist. We are all set to add our washi tape to our works of art. We're going to be placing those on our line. We're wanting to make sure the tape is 1 hand long. So I have my piece there. And I have a little bit of space here that I haven't covered. So I'm wanting to go over that space again with my washi tape. So I'm going to tape right over that with that special Japanese tape called washi tape. And I'm going to continue that until all my pieces are tight. I'm rubbing each of the pieces of the tape, and then we have these spaces in between, and that is going to be the space that we add our beautiful designs and patterns. But first we are going to need to dip and twist and paint each of these spaces. So I'm going to paint one side, then I'm going to dip and twist and paint the other side. And I will do that all the way around my rain stick, carefully painting one side and then painting the other side and then filling the space in between. Very important that we don't cover any of our washi Japanese tape. So boys and girls, we're now going to need to switch colors. So I'm going to take a paper towel and squeeze my brush 3 times between my fingers to make sure that it's completely dry and I've removed all of that green paint. And now I'm going to begin to paint on one side and then the other with the violet paint. And I'll go around until I have that completed. So that's all set. So now I need to make my sound maker for the inside of my rain stick. And if you recall, the rain sticks that were initially made were made out of cactus. And when the cactus would dry, the needles of the cactus would get pushed into the center, and those needles would make the sound after rice or beans would be dropped inside. But in our case, we're not using cactus, so we are going to be using aluminum foil. And I'm making that special fold called an accordion fold. Up, down, up, down, up, down, until I have almost like a fan. After I have the accordion fold one way, I'm going to make another accordion fold. And I'm going to tuck this inside of my rain stick to make the sound.